this up for now. That's the decision I made. It might surprise some of you watching this video as I'm celebrating my 1 millionth subscriber milestone, but
Okay, so that's what I was waiting for. That was Peter McKinnon. I don't know if you guys watched him. If you don't, you should. Go over there, subscribe, give him a congratulations for hitting 1 million. That's fucking awesome. He completely deserves it. His content is fucking... It's crazy. It's hard to describe, but it's fucking good. If you like cinematography, photography, stuff like that, go fucking look at his shit. Because he's a big inspiration for me as far as YouTube and like photography, cinematography, videography, all that shit. He is very good at it. And I've been learning through him, and it's been fucking awesome watching his videos and watching him grow. I started watching him at 100,000 subscribers, now he's at 1 million, and that's crazy. This dude honestly is fucking worth checking out. So, congratulations, Peter. I don't know if you'll ever see this, but congratulations, and keep up the good work. Okay, but anyways, so today we have a couple things to do. Sylvester may be coming over and we might get his exhaust done and then change his oil. And if he doesn't end up coming over, I have stuff to do to my 240 anyways. We have to fix, it's making this weird noise. I know exactly what it is, so I just have to fix it. But it's making this weird noise when I'm driving. Pretty much it's the e-brake lines. They go over the drive shaft. One of them, the bolt snapped, which is why my e-brake doesn't really work that well. The bolt snapped, so it's just hanging there and it's bouncing off the drive shaft, and that's what's making that noise. So I have to find a solution because my drill is at work, so I can't exactly take that bolt out because it snapped off and there's nothing sticking out, so I can't like get a vice grip on it or anything. So for now, I'm not sure what I'm gonna do. I'll figure it out. But also, for some reason, I don't know if it's my 240, if it's all 240s, if it's all old cars, there's missing bolts, and then there's bolts that should be torqued down that are hand tightened that I can physically turn with my hand, and there's bolts missing here and there. There's parts that should be connected that are not connected, and that sort of worries me. But I noticed that the subframe, the rear subframe is missing a bolt. The bolt's there, it's fine, I can fix it, but fucking just gotta do that real quick. So we'll do that, and then Sylvester shows up. Hey, we'll fucking finish his exhaust. Finally get it out of my fucking backyard, because it's just back there just collecting dust. I already welded up the holes and everything. Not pretty welds, not at all, but no leaks, so no one's gonna see it. Alright, so let's go, fucking air back there. Let's go fucking fix shit with the 240 with Vanessa. Sylvester's not here yet. I don't know if he's gonna show up, so we might not be doing the exhaust. But let's go fix 240 problems. A little more important. All the bikes are gone. They're in Arizona. Okay, I need you. So let's get you out of the way. You out of the way as well. And let's move you too. And okay, you out of the way too. Okay, let's go. Come on. Okay, so if you go here, can you see it? Ow. You guys see it? That thing right there. That should not be there. That is hitting the drive shaft and driving me crazy. There's my exhaust. Do you guys like my exhaust? That's why she's so loud. But yeah, so let's fix that real quick. And what I was talking about earlier with the subframe shit, it's this piece right here. This piece, see, it's not connected there where it should be, but the threads in there are fine. So there's another bolt up there somewhere that I'm gonna take off and put there, because I feel like that's a little more important. Okay, so where this piece, which I guess is like a little brace, where that piece connects down here, connects to there. Oh shit, that bolt is no longer there, or maybe it was on that side. Oh, welp. So there was a bolt here. It's not there anymore. That I was gonna use for this piece to put back in that little hole right there. But that bolt is no longer there. So I don't remember if I took it out and put it somewhere or what. But it is not there. Well, fuck. Okay guys, so this is a better view, sort of. This up here, those are the e-brake lines. These things. This one, this is how it should be mounted on this side. But shit snapped there, so I have to get that out somehow in order to properly secure it. But I think I'm just gonna have to go with a temporary solution, because I do not have my drill, nor do I have access to a drill. So yeah. gotta figure something out. It's probably going to be zip ties. But, dude, like, how cool is this? Rear wheel drive. On a car that was this fucking cheap. I should probably hold you guys like this. Okay, so I found something else out. Should not do that either. The little bracket up there that it clips into is broken, it looks like. It's supposed to be like that one. Oh, it's you can't move this one. This one is solid. This one is, oh, and it's fucking ripped a little bit there too. Yikes. Okay, so update. I'm not too confident about this because this is the second time doing it, but I did sort of do it better this time, I guess. But here's what I did. It's fucking zip tied together. So now shit doesn't move. But like I said, second time doing this, that means the first time it broke. I only had one though, and I don't know, I forgot to do this part. Right. I forgot to this part, the long ass piece. Once you tighten it, you're supposed to cut it off. I forgot to cut it off. I was under the car and I didn't have this cutters on me at the time, so when I got out I didn't feel like going back under and all that shit. So I don't know if maybe that's why that one didn't work, or if maybe they're not strong enough. So I put two, and I cut them both. So I guess I'll let you guys know how that goes. But I just still don't know if I'm gonna have a solution for this for right now, because this needs to go in that hole. Yep. Yep-a-reno. Wow. Okay guys, so probably not gonna have a solution for the subframe little piece. I guess it helps stiffen up the subframe. I don't know. That's what it looks like it does anyways. I don't think I'm gonna have a solution for that. Unfortunately, I'm gonna have to find a bolt that I can put in there. I have no bolts right now. I'd have to figure out the thread and then go to Home Depot and get one. So may do that in the future, but not today. Today, we pretty much, the big issue was the noise, and the noise is now gone. So that's good. So let's get her back together. Let's put her shoe back on.